We cannot get enough of this salad. It is so full of flavor. But I'm not sure if it's the salad that we like so much or the vinaigrette. Let me show you how to make them. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. I'll begin by making the vinaigrette. Start with 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of za'atar seasoning. If you don't have za'atar, you can use Italian seasoning. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and a little yellow mustard. Put the lid on the jar, give it a shake, and set it aside. The bottom layer of the salad will be a grain. I'm using barley, but you could also use brown rice or quinoa. I'm topping it with iceberg lettuce. You can use any lettuce that you choose. Then I'm adding cucumbers, tomatoes, chopped parsley, and red onion, Kalamata olive, and finish off with feta cheese and pumpkin seeds. It's excellent just like this, but I'm adding grilled chicken for some added protein. Now we're ready to add the vinaigrette and enjoy. Eating healthy does not have to be boring. This is a family favorite. I hope you enjoy it too.